Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen today. But today we are outside, we're not inside today. It's a lovely beautiful sunny day. So guys, if you're watching my video and you don't subscribe as yet, please hit that notification bell. Please hit that red button. It's free to subscribe. Please join the family. I reach 800 subscribers guys. Thank you very much to support me and keep on support me and keep on sharing and like the video. So today we're gonna cook barbecue jerk prawns and skewer with vegetable. Right here we have one squeezed lemon, we have one squeezed orange, we have 1.5 white onion, we have one green bell pepper, we have one red bell pepper, we have one yellow bell pepper, we have half of pineapple what we're going to use right over here. So I sliced them up already. Just you don't want to slice them up too big because we're gonna do jerk prawns and the barbecue. So right here we have some barbecue sauce, and over here we have some prawns what we're gonna do. But right here guys, I did look up for some jerk season already, so this one already prepared already. So the jerk season, I use some pimento, I use garlic, I use ginger, I use spring onion, I use a chili pepper, scotch bonnet pepper in it. So my jerk season already prepared already because the other day I do a jerk, so I have some leave over, but I'm gonna leave everything in the description for you guys to tell you what I put in this barbecue sauce. So today on the menu we're gonna do barbecue jerk prawns and skewer with vegetable. So guys, right now we're just gonna season up the prawn. We're just gonna put in one squeeze orange juice. We're gonna put in one squeeze lemon because I love the taste of lemon. Lemon will get out all of that rawness out of the prawns. So guys, I just do a barbecue the other day, and as I said before, I have some barbecue season left over what I use and season up my chicken. So this one having pimento, you having garlic, you having ginger, you having spring onion, having everything in it guys. So I'm gonna leave in the description so you guys can check it out what I put in my barbecue sauce. So this I ain't gonna use all of this. I'm just gonna use around a teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of that. Just gonna just mix up that one in it. So you just want to get all of that season, all of that lemon, all of that orange juice, everything out of it. And then my barbecue sauce. It's gonna have a little barbecue sauce in it. I don't want to use too much barbecue sauce, so I just use a little bit of prawn. Around a teaspoon of barbecue sauce. So I just mix that away. So olive oil, just gonna use a half teaspoon of olive oil. So a little bit of olive oil. Guys, look, I forgot to take off the lid. Happened to me before. So there's a half teaspoon of olive oil. You give that a stir. So that is half teaspoon of olive oil. So now I'm just gonna chuck in my king prawns. So my white onion, just cut it in two. Just gonna just separate it like that. Just want to separate it like that, guys. Just break it in two. Just go on there. My white onion, just break it in two. I ain't gonna do nothing pretty, guys. So just break it in two like that. Whatever you want to do, it is up to you. So I'm gonna do barbecue jerk prawns. So I have my bell pepper, my red, my green, and my orange bell pepper, and my white onion. Just gonna chop everything in. And my pineapple. So I peel the pineapple. I use half of the pineapple. I don't use the whole pineapple. I'm gonna use the pineapple to make a preparation later on. So everything is in now. Just gonna use my hand. I just want to marinate, get all of that season and everything in of it. So when I don't mix this up, guys, this gonna marinate for around 20 minutes. So you want to get all of that jerk sauce, all of that pimento, all of that ginger, all of that garlic, all of that spring onion, all of that thyme, everything. You want to get all of that lemon, all of that orange juice. You just want to get everything to soak down in all of these bell pepper. So guys, if you're watching my video and you don't subscribe as yet, please subscribe and hit that notification bell, so when I post a video you guys will get it, because I have loads of recipe coming out. And please share and like the video. And guys, thank you, I reached 800 subscribers. I really appreciate it a lot. And guys, if you're watching the video and you don't subscribe, please hit that subscribe button. Please do, because I have a lot more recipe coming out. So guys, this is seasoned up now. I'm gonna leave it to marinate for around 20 minutes. Hi guys, I've been marinating these king prawns for the last 20 minutes. So now I'm just gonna stick them in some cube to make sure you buy the bamboo one, because the bamboo one don't burn just like the next one. I was soaking in some water for around 1 hour. So now I'm just gonna bore it from the head straight up to the tail. So just bore it straight through like that. Gonna put on a bell pepper straight through. Then I'm gonna put on another king prawns straight from the head to the tail. Then I'm gonna put on pineapple, onion, put on another king prawns. So I'm gonna use around 4 king prawns on 1 stick. Gonna put on some green pepper, so guys, just stick it straight through. You can put it flat way if you want. Alright, so that one breaks, so I'm just gonna put this one flat way. Okay, I put it flat way just like that. Anything is easier for you. And then I'm gonna put on another pineapple. And then I'm gonna put on another piece of onion. That one drop. Put a piece of onion. So this one I have on 3 king prawns. So I think I'm gonna put on another one to make it 4. I'm gonna put on 4 king prawns. So I get another one. If you don't want to put 4, it's up to you. Maybe some people. Hi guys, I just put on the king prawns and the vegetable and the skewer. So now we're just gonna put a little bit of olive oil over them. So just put a little bit of olive oil over them, not too much olive oil, because you don't want them too dry. Guys, I just turned them over. It was 3 minutes on that side, so I just turned them over a while ago. So you don't want to overcook it. You want to give them 3 minutes to 3.5 minutes on each side. So I just spin them over for 3 minutes. So this one, I'm just gonna move it over, put it on that side over there, and put this one over here. So like in the middle of a little bit more fire on the end. That one there. So guys, so please subscribe, please share and like, and please make a comment, and please hit a notification bell. So this is barbecue jerk king prawns. So I'm just gonna add a little barbecue sauce and then just keep them moist. So just give that one 3 minutes and this side, so I'm just gonna put a little barbecue sauce over it. Guys, to cook king prawns, you don't want to overcook it because it's very easy to cook. You don't want to give it more than 3 to 3.5 minutes on each side. So I'm just going to put a little barbecue sauce over it. Please subscribe, please share and like, and please make a comment. And please hit a notification bell. I have a lot more recipe coming out. So guys, thank you again. I reached 800 subscribers. Without you guys, I wouldn't be here today. So please join the family, guys. Watching the video and you don't subscribe as yet, please do. Please hit a notification bell and please share and like the video. Guys, look at that. I just picked 2 tomatoes from my garden. Gonna spin them around right there. Guys, I just put a banana on it. So my tomato them coming up, so I just put a plantain on it and the grill, so that's alright then. Just chuck a plantain on it. So guys, please subscribe, please share and like. This is barbecue jerk prawns, Selvin style. Guys, this is all finished. I just take it off the grill. I just put a little barbecue sauce on it. I just pick a tomato from my garden, a roasted tomato. So this is barbecue jerk prawns with vegetable, guys. Please subscribe, please share and like, and please make a comment. Do you want me to see another video like this, guys? Please subscribe and please hit a notification bell. Guys, my mouth is just dripping for this, I'm telling you. Guys, I just take this off the grill not even a minute ago. Look at it, guys. It's beautiful. It's barbecue jerk king prawns with vegetable and a skewer. Look at that, my beautiful people. So if you're watching my videos yet, guys, and you don't subscribe, please hit that red button. You're free to subscribe. Please join the family. Thank you, guys. I reached 800 subscribers and we're growing this family together. So please join the family, guys. Please subscribe and please share and like. Guys, I'm all finished. I'm just gonna dig in, guys. I'm gonna eat. So guys, please subscribe, please share and like, and please hit that notification bell. Guys, I'm telling you, guys, I'm gonna eat. Right? This is beautiful. If none of you guys didn't try this as yet, please try it. I'm telling you, please try it. It's barbecue jerk king prawns with vegetable and a cure. Heaven is on earth. Beautiful people, beautiful. Beautiful. You guys want to try this? I'm telling you, heaven is on earth, guys. But please subscribe, please share and like, and please hit the notification bell.